The floodwaters will arrive here today. We're expecting it around lunchtime, after lunch maybe sometime. So I'm here to have a quick look at what the water quality is like now and to compare it to later on, so we can adjust our water purification systems on the farm to compensate for the somewhat dirty water that's coming. Hopefully everybody upstream has already started doing that. It's quite important, especially with a lot of water coming down the Vaal side of the river. So the water flow that we're expecting here, that's already arrived at Ugrabis, is about 1,000 cubic meters per second, just under it. At Prieska it's just over 1,000 cubic meters per second. And from the Bloemhof Dam is still releasing about 1,000 cubic meters per second, even though the inflow has dropped. It's around 104% at the moment, the dam. And they are projecting that they will let it drop down to as low as about 95% the level, and that is very good news, because Vaal Dam will have to start releasing more water from today onwards. They've dropped it down to about 300 cubic meters per second outflow from Vaal going towards Bloemhof, but the inflow into Vaal has picked up to just under 1,300 cubic meters per second, again from recent rains in the last couple of days. That also, that same range also had some water in the, sending water down the orange side of the river system. And at Aliwal Noord and Oranjedraai, the combined inflow going towards Gariep Dam is showing about 1,200 cubic meters per second. The current inflow into Gariep is about 600, so that will pick up fast now. Gariep is also letting out water towards Van der Kloof Dam at about 600 cubic meters per second, so they're dropping that level, and that outflow is actually more than the total electricity generation capacity. So it seems like there's a major change in what the Department of Water and Sanitation is doing this year, different from the previous floods that we've had, and that is very, very good news. Very heartening to see that. But it also means that even with that outflow, Gariep is going to go up to 100% within the next day or so. And Van der Kloof is now climbing fast, and within a week Van der Kloof will also be at 100%. Van der Kloof is currently not letting out more than between 100 and 150 cubic meters per second. But they'll probably increase that as well later on as the level rises, hopefully. So that's the quick situation on the river. Sometime later today we'll probably see the waters here arriving here, and I'll see if we can do a quick live video tonight, look at in more detail at the different rivers, the Wilge, the Vet, the Modder. Everywhere there's water flowing, nothing major apart from the ones that we've mentioned so far. So anyway, let's see. I'm going to try and do a still video here to have, let's say, a 1 minute section of video that's a still video from a fixed point, and then I'll try and do every couple of days, I'll try and do the same still video with the same camera position, and then show the change in the water level as that happens. But anyway, we'll see that on the next one. Cheers. I think that'll be a good comparative video. Let's let it run for a minute or so, and then in future videos I'll use this footage as comparison.